A canopy of love, a roof above, shelters from life's turbulent love, a place to rest, to hide, to be, where heart and soul can find liberty. Under its shade, we find our peace, a refuge from life's chaotic release, a sense of belonging, a place to call, where memories and dreams stand tall. Hi, I'm architect Anand
Architect Pratik.
Architect Arpit.
from Span Architects, Indore. Join us for an exclusive home tour of the Canopy House at Indore. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below.
कैनोपी का मतलब होता है छत्र, डिराइव फ्रॉम द वर्ड छतरी या छाया। जैसे धूप में या बारिश में हमें छाया की ज़रूरत होती है, छत्र की ज़रूरत होती है, प्रोटेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है, उसी तरह से ये वर्ड इवॉल्व हुआ कैनोपी।
So when we saw the site at first glance, it was a 5,000 square feet of land, but the unique character was that there were 5 big mature trees and the canopy was covering almost 50% of the site.
उसी से हमारा डेरिवेशन हुआ बिल्ट मास का, जिसमें हमने एक आरसीसी की कैनोपी फॉर्म करी विच इज़ in support to the existing canopies of the trees, and this is how it came out into the existence.
The architecture is not dominating, it is acting as a backdrop to the 5 trees which are already there. Client came with a brief that they wanted a humble home which has a lot of greenery amalgamated with the built spaces. Their preference was that living room, dining room, bedrooms should face towards the garden, and garden was a primary requirement. So the site is located in a residential dwelling which is a gated township. As you enter, we have a sizable parking area, then there is a veranda, and then there's the entrance door. So the route follows in this way, and then there's a lobby which takes you to the gazebo, which overlooks the garden on one side, overlooks the parking and some green spaces on the other side, and then there are trees on the third side. So this is particular space carved out for all those kind of talks and early morning coffees. Then comes the semi-public zone, which is the living and dining area. So living and dining area is placed strategically in a location wherein you can enjoy the overall garden space, which is your again a semi-public zone. So which can be visible from both the directions, from the public area and from the semi-public area. Normally in Indian scenario, we don't take large openings on west direction, but since we have such a beautiful shade on the west, it helps to provide diffused sunlight coming from the west. And also the wind direction in this particular region is from west to east. As you pass through the slender lobby, you see the double height dining area, which is having neutral palettes of beige, and there are accents of green color. Then this staircase is in a stark contrast to the overall residence color palette. This is completely done in black granite. So the purpose was to highlight the staircase, and you can see that there is no railing over here. This is a different kind of wall, which is a feature wall where we have used a texture paint over here, and the same texture paint is running all the way till the living area. So as you can see, there is a courtyard on the right side which gives you a green connection to the outdoor spaces, and then the same thing is there towards the garden. The whole space is interconnected. So this particular staircase, purposefully we wanted to be the highlight of this whole space, because we have not decorated this area with lots of artifacts and panelings, and we wanted that the architecture should speak out for itself. So this particular opening in the staircase, we purposefully gave it because there are kids in the house. So it becomes a very playful approach, how you see your stairs, your furniture, your walls. So this becomes a very interactive space wherein a kid can peek in from inside. Someone can hide behind that particular space. So kids love to enjoy these kind of spaces. very interesting window which we have placed on the eastern direction, because as soon as the early morning rays enter into the residence, that is the first window from where you get the sunlight into the residence. Because we don't have multiple openings on the eastern direction, since there's another residence on that direction. So that particular circular window is a highlight. This dining area is a double height space, so that both the floors remain connected to each other. We have staircase which leads all the way to first floor. Then there's a lobby which leads to bedrooms. So one is a kid's bedroom, and then you have the master room.
Coming to the master bedroom. So master bedroom is like a cozy cottage which we have created. The canopy, the sloping roof which you see in the architecture, it's reflected in the interiors also. Master bedroom is having a private terrace where you can see greenery on all three sides, and you can just sit and enjoy your private time here. So adjacent to the master bedroom, we have kids bedroom since the kids are young. So we have a direct connectivity from the room to the kids room through a door. Firstly, we have added a library space to the room. Secondly, we have added a color that you can see, the turquoise color. It reflects the boldness of the personality of the user which resides there.
Since it's a nuclear family, but still clients prefer to have friends and family gatherings in the gazebo areas. And then we have a garden area that converts into a picnic spot for the kids.
Canopy House redefines the relationship between the built mass and its surrounding, showcasing a seamless integration along with the beauty of nature.
So basically, we tried making a building which stands out from rest of the houses nearby, and it has an identity to itself which separates this house from the rest of the house.